Today we're going to talk about two important months of the year, September and October. Now September is really important numerologically. So September feels like as if things are wrapping up or the year that has gone past is really behind you now. But October is the month where something new is going to unfold for you. You're going to get a sense of what the next year holds for you. If you're born in the month of January, October is really important for you because this is the month for you to take the step. If you're looking to make a change or take a new direction, October will be the month where you can use that time to take that step forward and take the lead towards new beginnings. If you're born in the month of February, October is a month of balance. Slow down, relax. Take stock of your partnership, whether it's partnership in business, partnership with your spouse. It is a month which will bring that into focus for you. So learn to develop patience with each other, understand your partnership, and basically work with people, not individually. If you're born in the month of March, there is a chance that you can get very confused about what you need to do in the next phase of your life, the next coming year of your life. So it's really important for you to seek guidance, a direction, and kind of put up maybe a vision board for yourself to see what you would like to have in your life. And October is a great month to begin that. If you're born in the month of April, then October is the month for you to kind of take stock of things around you, to be judicious, to work through a certain process, to have a plan and get organized about your way forward. For those of you who are born in the month of May, this is a time for you to travel, to expand yourself. Take a trip that you've been thinking of taking but never did. Expand your horizons, meet more people, because your social contacts are going to get you benefit. Or the more you meet people, the more it will enhance your life. And October is a great month to start that. For those of you who are born in the month of June, October will bring relationships to a fore in the sense that you might have to take some decisions regarding your family or your friends or relatives or some responsibilities, including marriage. If you're thinking about getting married, this is a good month for you to embark on that plan. Now for those of you who are born in the month of July, October will feel like as if there's just too much of structure in your life. But it is a good thing for you to be more organized, probably study or learn something new, whatever it is. It could be baking, it could be cooking, or it could be studying something that you've always wanted to study. October is a great month for you to begin that. If you're born in the month of August, if you're in business specifically, it is a month for you to take big business decisions. For those of you who are working very, very hard, it is really a time for you to unwind and relax, but at the same time, stay focused on the goal for the next year. So those of you who are born in September, a whole new world will open up for you. You're going to meet lots more people. You'll feel like a need to expand yourself, to venture out and embrace new opportunities, and there will be plenty in the month of October. So those of you who are born in the month of October, now October is your birth month. This is a time for you to really step into leadership role, really take action, take responsibility for your life and move forward. There are going to be great opportunities for you to begin new things. So whether it is in business or in relationships or even buying a new home, this is a great month to start looking at that. Now those of you who are born in the month of November, what is going to present itself is the unseen opportunities that are going to come to the fore. You can actually see them, and it's very important for you to tune into the subtle and to rely on your intuition as you move forward into the next year. Those who are born in the month of December, this is a very, very creative time for you. Now whether you're in the creative field or not, life itself is a creation. So sow your seeds well. This is a month that's going to be impacting not only the coming year, but years to come for you. So it is an important time for you to get onto the creative side of life. So I wish you the best for the month of October and the coming year. The wheel has started to turn for what 2019 is going to look like for you.